Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So I just want to say, first of all, happy new year, happy 2022. So I'm so excited to be getting a new chapter here on my YouTube channel. So Christmas is over, so what I'm doing in this video is just going ahead and taking down the Christmas decorations in my living room and dining room.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better.
So how I usually like to store my Christmas decoration is I divide everything up by color. So all the bulbs usually go into one bin, and then all the picks goes into another one. And then my miscellaneous things like my reindeer, I usually put those back in its original boxes and put those away in the attic. And then all of my little decorative Christmas trees, I usually wrap those up and put those in a separate container and place those in the attic. Now all of my bulbs and everything I store out in my garage, and then my Christmas trees itself always go back in the attic as well.
But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better?
On my Christmas trees, I usually have mostly shatterproof ornaments, but I do have some glass ornaments. So those ornaments you'll see me set aside over there on the ottoman, and then what I do is I take some bubble wrap and gently wrap those up, and then I place those on top of the shatterproof ones before I store them. That way they have a little bit of protection before I actually, so they won't get broken or anything like that.
I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what
Now for my designer ribbon, I usually always try and save it. So what you see me do is some of them I end up cutting them up in strips to place in the Christmas tree, and then some of them I left them whole. So what I usually do is I take it all down, and then I just wrap it back up or try to form it in a roll again, and then that way I can store it for next year. But yeah, my ribbon, most of it I always usually try to keep it, unless I have lots of the kind of cheaper brands or whatever. I usually just toss that ribbon. But my designer ribbon, I always keep it and reuse it for another season.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be
Now, the slim tree was in my dining room area, so I moved it over here to the center just so you guys can see what I'm doing. But now I'm just deconstructing this tree as well. And then this tree had the same color scheme as my living room tree, so all of its bulbs is going to go in the same containers.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to depend, still
where I store some of my Christmas stuff. So this is mainly ornaments and bulbs and gift boxes and things like that. And then to the right, I have this other little shelf that my husband purchased for me. This is actually most of my fall decor, and then I also have some toss pillows in some of those bins as well. So the Christmas stuff, I usually try to use some clear bins, that way I can see what's in it. And then the other ones for fall, they're kind of in like the darker containers down at the bottom. And then the ones at the top, those yellow and black, those are all like extra toss pillows that I have up there as well. So it's just a little system that I try to keep organized, so I'm not just tossing all over the garage. So yeah, but that's how I store my Christmas decor, at least some of it.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving.
And just like that, Christmas is done. So what you see me doing here is I'm just taking my broom and I'm just sweeping up my floor, yes, and even the rug, because I have that flock. You will see it. The camera is kind of not all the way in the frame, but you will see all the flock and everything that I'm sweeping out of this rug. It's definitely a lot of fallout and glitter, and then some of those little ornament picks and things on the floor. So I usually try to sweep that up first before I go over with the vacuum cleaner. That way it doesn't mess up my vacuum cleaner. You guys, I am so excited for Christmas to be over with. I'm just happy to have my space back and start redecorating this room. So I'm excited to share with you all the new changes that I've done in this room. So this room will be getting a refresh. Actually, by the time you see this video, this room will be already done. So I'm going to share that video with you all on Friday. So make sure you have on your post notification. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my content. But I am just so excited to just have my space back and just move on. So yeah, so this was 2 of 4 Christmas trees that I had put up this holiday season. So I did take down my family room tree and my master bedroom tree off camera just so it can go a little bit faster. But yeah, so it took me a few days, maybe a few 2 or 3 days to take down all the Christmas decor. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. I hope it motivates you to start getting rid of or taking down your Christmas decor and storing them away for next year. So I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down.